Hey, Algebra 2, here's a short review on how you simplify rational expressions. One scenario is that we will have a monomial. So we have these three terms being multiplied in the top, and then these being multiplied in the bottom. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out what's the biggest number that divides into 24 and 36. And I'm going to divide 4 out of the top and bottom, and then I get a 6 and I get a 9, and I was wrong. I was supposed to divide a 12 out of it, my bad. And so now I'm going to divide a 3 out of the top and bottom. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. And then finally, when we divide variables, we subtract exponents. And I always take big minus little. So I'm going to take the 3 minus 2. And then when I divide the b's, looks like the bigger number's on bottom as well. And I'm going to go 4 minus 3. And then when all is said and done, I have a 2 on top. I have a 3 A, B on bottom. So that is how you simplify this type of expression. Another type would be I have a trinomial on top and bottom, and I'm going to have to factor each of those. So when I factor the top, I need factors of negative 36 that add up to negative 9. Let's see, 12 times 3 is 36, and the 12 has to be the bigger number. So this is going to factor as x minus 12, x plus 3. And then on the bottom, I'm going to have to find factors of negative 24 that add up to negative 5. And 8 and 3 are 5 apart, and it's the 8 that would have to be the negative 1. This factors as x minus 8 and x plus 3. My x plus 3 factors cancel on top and bottom, and this final answer is x minus 12 over x minus 8. And recall that we cancel factors, not terms, so I cannot do anything more with this. This number 3, the numerator. Let's see. I see a GCF there. So 3x squared minus 27x. I'm going to factor a 3x out of both of those, and when I do, 3x squared divided by 3x is x. Negative 27x divided by 3x is negative 9. So this numerator factors as 3x, x minus 9. The denominator, I see that as the difference of squares. So remember, when I have x squared minus 81, I'm taking the square root of each of those and getting an x and a 9. And that's going to factor as x plus 9 and x minus 9. I have factors of x plus 9 in the numerator and denominator that will cancel each other out. And then my final answer would be 3x over x plus 9. And that is the best I can do with it. And that is a review of how to simplify rational expressions.